Hey everybody, this is Nature Walks with Dawn, and I'm doing an update on my fish, my 3 gallon. I love you all out there. God bless and Jesus loves you all. Here are a couple of my little art pieces here, and then I got oh, I love you, and then my little sea turtles and everybody, and then I got my gold rock, my it's a quartz crystal. Quartz crystals here. And then here are all my fish, and they're doing really, really good. This is my male and female balloon Molly. I let her out because I don't think she's really pregnant. She should be fatter than that. And then all my other fish are up here doing really good. My blue platy, my gold nugget platy, and my spotted and then my fancy guppy here, and my male platy is this one right here, so you might be able to mate with either the spotted or the blue one, with my Anubis plant and Java fern. That's all my fish. I got my neons in here, but they kind of come out there in the when it's dark. And this is my snail too. Here, my mystery blue snail, somewhat called Neurites, and I also have my little tiny mini collection here. I got this cute little baby here. She's new. I've had her. My little ponies. I might paint these later for art to do. And all these little sea miniatures. And then my first acrylic one. I did the bagels and pimentos. It came out really, really nice. And then my old little things up here, I did my little unicorn here and pie, sweetie pie. And I got one out in the living room of honey puggle. I'll go out and try to show ya the little honey puggle I did a long time ago. And cat, I love you all out there. God bless, and Jesus loves you all.